Let's quick update video. What's happening right now with Bitcoin, Ethereum? Let us watch on the 1 hourly starting. And I tell you, Bitcoin is all about probabilities, right? It's only up or down, but we have to find the probability is more likely to up or down. And we are in a bear trend, so it's more likely that we are breaking up than down. And we are forming also this bear flag, right? You see here. It's a very, I think we have even on the daily this bear flag, right? Let me quickly check. Oh yes, wow, this is a huge bear flag. Wait a minute, this one is even, this one which is going even to 18,000, right? Yeah, this one is, yeah, it's something between, some people measure it from here to the downside, then it would be the price target around 20,000, or I measure it from, so the much more pessimistic one would be from the top really to the downside, so then it would be even something between 15 and 20,000. So this is the really big price tag, but we will not see a fall down. We will have some stops because we have a lot of resistance here coming in, right? 28,400, we have a lot of resistance, 24,200, and we have here 20,000 some resistance, right? But let us watch in the immediate short term what will happen. We have here in the immediate short term also something like a bear flag forming, and wait a minute, let me here. This is also something like a bear flag, you see. But it could be too long still. I think it's more likely that we are breaking down than we are breaking up. Why? Because look, if we are watching right now here on the RSI, you see here the RSI is slightly going up, and the price is here clearly going down. And if you measure it from the upside, like I did here, this is a bearish divergence, so this speaks for that we are breaking down. Also what I see here, we are getting right now on the 1 hourly RSI slightly overbought. We are a little neutral but slightly overbought. So if we see right now more pump even to 30,000 or even 36,000, or here is a big resistance at around 31,000, this would be very nice if we see this pump, because after it we would be very overbought, then we would see this huge dump is coming in, right? So right now, like I told you guys, I still in my short position. I show you also my short position in a minute. Wait a minute. Where are you? There you are. So I still also in my short position because I'm expecting today is Sunday, guys, and on Sunday evening usually stock market in Asia open, then we see huge volatility. So be prepared for this huge volatility. Doesn't matter if you're in a long or in a short, be prepared please for this, that we will see huge volatility today in the evening while we are sleeping. So I'm right now still in my short position, which is $262 in profit, 21%, and 30,000 around in contract size right now. Be prepared and please take profits right now. So and move your stop loss position to your entry position. So if we see volatility to the up or downside, doesn't matter, you're going thrown out of the market, but you made profits already, right? And don't lose any money. So I expecting that we see maybe a small pump. We could see small pump even here to 30,900, so it would be 4.8% opportunity, but I wouldn't do it because here at 30,400 also huge resistance coming in. So I could imagine that we see a pump, for example, to 30,400, could be 2.8% long opportunity. For me, it's too much risky. I still, but I'm also a swing trader, right? I'm waiting. I hold my trades for days, for weeks sometimes. So I'm expecting here a dump, and I would say if we break 29,400 right now, then we can clearly make a short position to 28,200, or even take profits at 28,300. So it would be around 4% opportunity, 10x average 40%, 5x average 20% to the downside if we break 29,400 approximately. Where you can do it, guys, to everyone who's new, on Bybit you get 4,620 for free after initial deposit, and on Bybit you get 30 days zero maker fee. Even if you don't have initial deposit, you get 30 days zero maker fee. So go now, what is this? Go now, link down below. It costs you only 1 minute to register it, guys. Also, let us quickly watch on Ethereum. if Bitcoin will see here this small pump, what I can imagine, so people going into a long position, then I can imagine we can see a pump to 2050. It would be 3.2% opportunity, but after it, I'm expecting more a dump. So if Bitcoin break below 29,400, I'm expecting that we are clearly go at least to 1,911. It would be 3.7% opportunity, and then the second price tag would be around 1,887. So this would be opportunity of 5%, 10x average 50%, 5x average 25%. Also, you can short along Ethereum on Bybit, 4,620 for free after initial deposit and 30 days zero maker fee, right? So this is very clear in my opinion. What is here going on? I mean, yes, we can draw here some lines. I mean some lines about rising wedge and so on. But for me, I'm trying to write not so much lines. I mean, this is a very important line because you see here a lot of support and resistance. So I can imagine, like I told you, that we are going 30,900 as a resistance, and then we are breaking down, because the likelihood that we are breaking down is more likely than we are breaking up, and because we are in a downtrend, right? And if we are watching on the S&P 500 and daily, we created a new lower low, so we broke this previous lower low. So this is what speaks for on Monday, tomorrow at 9:30 when the stock market opened, that S&P 500 maybe will see small pump, because people say, oh, double bottom, and then we see huge dump. This is what I expecting. Guys, please do your own research. Please do your own research, and after you did your own research, then decide you are shorting or longing. However, you can do this registration on Bybit, and they're longing, shorting, or buying on spot. Again, a quick summary, guys. Cause of the some factors like this bearish divergence on the 1 hourly, which I showed you. Cause of that we are in a clear downtrend. I'm expecting, cause of this bear flag, right, with this beautiful bear flag, I'm expecting that we are going more likely that we are going down, that we are going up. So we could see small pump, but all in all, I expect that we are going down, right? So again, if we break 29,400 with a clear 4 hourly candle, we can, or 1 hourly candle, we can shorting down Bitcoin to 28,100. If we're breaking, I would say, let me quickly watch on the, I would say if we're breaking above this, I would say only if we break above 30,900, then we can long Bitcoin. I mean, you could also say here, if we break above 4 hourly EMA ribbon, then we can long to 30,900. Oh wow, it would be still 2%, 10x average 20%, 5x average 10%. I mean, this could be also a long opportunity if we break above 4 hourly EMA ribbon to this resistance line to 30,900. But I wouldn't, in my opinion, we can here long, but I would take profits at 30,900, because it's easily that we're getting here rejected and going down. Yes, so don't forget about the bonus on Bybit, 4,620. Guys, and tell me your opinion. What are you doing? You understanding what I'm telling you? You are shorting or longing? What are you doing right now? Are you in a short and long? And are you buying? You making dollar cost average? Tell me, what are you doing right now, guys? I still in my short position, like I told you. And if you have any questions, write me also down below. Don't forget about the bonds. I kiss you and see you later. Mwah. I'm still waiting for Big Balls Jamie. I think his big balls is squeezed between the elevator doors. Okay, I'm checking. Guys, see you in the next video.